The Procolored F13 Panda DTF printer is a professional-grade apparel printing solution designed to bring precision and reliability to your creative projects. Make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to get this apparel printer at the latest price available. This printer stands out with its innovative built-in cutter, which conserves transfer film and streamlines the printing process for enhanced productivity. Coupled with an upgraded roller feeder, it significantly reduces the chances of film feeding issues and jamming, allowing you to focus more on creating than troubleshooting. One of its key features is the Procolored Siphon White Ink Circulation System, which integrates stirring, circulation, and filtration to maintain a smooth, consistent ink flow. This advancement not only prevents printhead clogs but also extends the lifespan of the printhead, saving time and maintenance costs. Additionally, the printer boasts an automatic cleaning function that activates every 10 hours, consuming minimal ink and eliminating the hassle of manual cleaning. This ensures optimal printhead performance and uninterrupted printing sessions. The device also includes a preheating function with adjustable temperature, which keeps the printed ink warm and prevents inconsistencies that could affect print quality. Its film adsorption and ink collection systems work in tandem to hold the film firmly and managing flow efficiently for flawless output. With a stunning maximum resolution of 1440 by 1440 dpi, the Procolored F13 Panda delivers ultra-clear, detailed prints that bring vibrant colors and fine details to life. Utilizing 6-color printing technology, it achieves smooth gradients and excellent color accuracy, making it ideal for a wide range of apparel customization needs. Supporting Windows 7, 10, and 11, the printer is compatible with most modern computer setups. To give you peace of mind, it comes with a comprehensive warranty policy offering 6 months coverage for the printhead and 1 year for other parts, along with 24/7 customer support ready to assist with any questions or technical issues. The Procolored F13 Panda DTF printer truly balances advanced technology and ease of use, making it a smart investment for businesses or individuals looking to elevate their apparel printing capabilities.